All right, so not a huge fan of this question. All right, but let's go ahead and try it out. So if I divide something by this, I get this. That means if I multiply these two together, I'm going to get the original equation. All right, so x minus 1 times x squared plus 7x plus 5 over x minus 1. Now I'm going to distribute this in a weird way. All right, I'm going to distribute this whole thing to each thing. So I'm going to get x squared times x minus 1, and I'm going to get 7x times x minus 1, and I'm going to get 5 over x minus 1 times x minus 1. The reason I did it that way is because if I didn't, I was going to get a goofy fraction, and then I was going to have to try to like go through and simplify it with common denominators, which is going to make this super, super difficult to do. So I'm going to get x to the third, not plus, minus x squared. Then I'm going to get plus 7x squared minus 7x. Then what's going to happen here, all right, is those two things are going to cancel out. And I'm just going to get plus 5. So I threw those distribution lines in there. And I actually do, there's nothing to distribute. I don't know what I was pointing to. All right. So plus 5. And I need to combine the 2x squared. So it's x to the third plus 6x squared minus 7x plus 5. That is an incredibly, incredibly difficult question. All right. To go ahead and deal with. So something like that, do the best you can with it. At least do some distributions that make sense because that way you're going to at least get a little bit of credit.